Birthing stories and birth is something that I expertise in. It's an emotional journey where we see a lot of turbulent things happening, and it's a very long phase where women these days have lost the charm of being a mother, and it is all hushed and lot more medically looked at. Why are women feeling so in their space of motherhood? That motherhood is something called as commitment, it's hard, it's going to be difficult, and it's a painful thing. It's the way that they are projected to see, which is absolutely not true. And most of them are not given a choice of birth, saying that you're high risk, you have obesity, or you have diabetes, you have hypertension, or you have some or the other medical related problem. Why are births being judged so badly? I have a perspective to say, I have an experience to say that whatever may you have as a risk factor, you can still be happy, you can still have your charm, you can still enjoy motherhood and deliver the most happiest way and most memorable way. This is modern obstetrics. If modern obstetrics can't give you solution for your problems, then what is the fun about? And why are women choosing operative deliveries rather than natural deliveries and normal deliveries? It's a lot more to talk about in this genre. And something that I really want to share is the moment that I started Mrs. Mom, it's my passion project about giving women what they need during pregnancy. Little happy moments, little education, little about lifestyle, and little about how to balance work, life, motherhood, and their children. This is something that captured me. And it's been 8 years I've been diligently doing Mrs. Mom, where we educate couples about their responsibilities coming, about their wellness, about their future, and about the happiness of being parents. And this has transformed several lives out there to an understanding that problem is not pregnancy, problem is the thought process and how you deal with it. When you can invest so much of your energy, mind, body, and all your education in serving people in wherever workplaces that you are, why don't you use the same smart work in making your motherhood journey a good one and a memorable one? And many more such projects like the Billion Tree Initiative, where we plant every single girl child born in my hands one plant that is nourished and grown to a future tree which is going to be fruitful for somebody who cannot afford to have their own plantation. This initiative brought us together towards not only the greenery that looks forward, but also cherishing the moment of a girl child born and how we can really help others getting their livelihood through that initiative. And similarly, we have so many other projects that we do under my foundation, Dr. K. Shilpi Reddy Foundation, that we not only take care of pregnant women, we also take care of young adolescents, teach them about menstrual hygiene, teach them about wellness concepts, how they're going to nourish and cherish their future through good health and awareness programs. This is not only about women out there, we also have a lot of initiatives that we drive through wellness programs like yoga, meditation, and Zumba sessions, and many more which are focused around stress management. So this is a journey and this is my story. I'm really looking forward to share my views, my perspectives, my good, bad, and my side of obstetrics to everybody out there. And it would be a very good platform to make sure that my version of being an obstetrician and what is my view about people's life is heard. Thank you all so much. And I have a small quote to say. I have seen how births change a woman, not just into a mother, but into someone more rooted and more powerful. I believe these stories need to be heard, and because when women are supported from the very beginning, it changes everything. And we should look at the change we really want to have in this society. Be the change you want to be, and I am there to share my journey with you all.